Right there is the remote that we need to change the battery for. We'll be needing a CR1632 battery along with a screwdriver just like that. First, we'll need to take out the key inside the remote. On the left side, there is a button that needs to be pressed and then we can pull out the key. Once the key is taken out, right where you took out the key from is the spot where we need to punch in the screwdriver. Once the tool is in position, then we rotate the screwdriver. And there you see space created between two pieces of the remote. We open both sides of the remote and notice right there is the module portion. And right inside the module portion is where the battery located. Using the same screwdriver, we'll pull the battery outwards. And there is that battery taken out. It is a CR1632 battery. We got the new battery and will install it where the old one came from. Make sure you slide the battery downwards like that, and once it's in position, then we push the battery from top. Just like that, the battery is installed. Now we go ahead and punch in the module in the button portion of the remote. Make sure the module is completely in, and also from the edges it is not coming out from both sides. Other side of the battery has a circle right there. While installing, make sure it matches with the location of the battery. Keep the button portion down and then put the other side on top of it. We make sure both sides are aligned properly and then we give it a slight push towards each other. There we got both the pieces installed firm and strong, and now we will go ahead and punch in the key inside the remote. And with that, we are done with the replacement of the battery for this remote. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.